Easter is such a happy time and also gets us excited about spring. But nothing gets me in the holiday mood like freshening up my home with seasonal decor and setting up a beautiful table for family and friends. And with Easter around the corner, I am so excited to show you how I will be setting up a charming and neutral tablescape with a unique vegetable centerpiece. I wasn't sure exactly what flowers I wanted to use for the centerpiece, but I wanted to keep a simple color theme and incorporate whites and yellows. And I ended up picking out a few beautiful options. Before setting up the table, I wanted to show you how I decorated my chandelier with a simple garland and some Easter eggs. My dining space is pretty plain and basic, so I wanted to add something fun, and I got these sage green Easter eggs from the dollar store and a simple garland as well. The eggs already came with a string attached to them, so I just used simple paper clips to hang them on the edge of this lampshade, and I did the exact same thing with the garland as well. For the centerpiece, I thought about something more exciting than just flowers. In this case, I'll be using two different vases to show you a trick of how to make a carrot centerpiece. Placing a cylindrical vase inside will make the space for the flowers, and then we can line up the perimeter of the bigger vase with carrots all around it. I ended up picking out white tulips, baby breath flowers, and these gorgeous daffodils. I'm so obsessed with spring flowers, and I think daffodils smell amazing, and they definitely lift up the atmosphere inside the house. And here we are. This centerpiece was super easy to make, and it's always a crowd pleaser. I'm sure you will have people asking you how you made this beautiful arrangement. And finally, let's get started on the actual table setup. In this case, I'll be using two different runners. The first one going on the bottom is made from linen to add a little rustic touch. And then I wanted to add a little color, and I placed this green checkered runner on top. Being obsessed with the color sage green this year, I wanted to use these placemats to complement the table runner. And if you guys are interested to know where any of these items are from, leave a comment down below and I will make sure to send you a link to the item that you're looking for. Prior to putting anything else on the table, I wanted to have some space to arrange these napkins, which are also made out of linen. And I'll be using the exact same Easter eggs that I used for the chandelier to add to the napkin decor, and some simple white ribbons to tie it all together. Position the napkin diagonally and fold the bottom point to the top to make a triangle. And starting with the top point, roll up the napkin from the top to the bottom until it looks like a rope. And then bend the napkin in half and place the egg at the bottom of the U of the napkin and tie it all together just above the egg with a ribbon. For the place setting, I use simple white plates. I think they're super versatile, and it's so easy to change the entire feel of your tablescape if you're using white plates and just changing a few accessories such as napkins, table runners, flowers, or even placemats. In general, white dinnerware can possess a ton of character. There's so many different designs you can select from, and it's just so easy to dress them up or down for any holiday. I've also added these cute bunny paper napkins. They're not necessary considering I've already added linen napkins, but I like to add these just in case if there are any spills that can be easily wiped off. And I also think they look cute and kind of add more versatility to the table. For my glassware, these vintage-looking French type of wine glasses are my absolute favorite. I got an amazing deal on these and they are from Pottery Barn, and I think they're timeless and perfect for a traditional table setting. I also added these absolutely stunning drinking glasses. They're perfect for everyday use, but they're also gorgeous for cocktails or simply just for water. I like seasonal decor that is not just beautiful but functional as well, and I found the cutest bunny salt and pepper shakers. I think they're so adorable, and I'm convinced my guests are going to enjoy these as well. I hope this beautiful Easter table has given you some ideas for your own tablescape this year. I personally enjoy styling a table and creating beautiful moments, and I hope I've inspired you to do the same.